okra and curry. So we've got our stuff all ready to go. I've got my okra ready to go. I've got my lemongrass ready to go. So we're gonna make it now. So always remember to have a nice big hot pan for it. I've got my rice here ready. So we're gonna first start with putting some oil in your pan, making sure that when you add all your ingredients, your pan needs to be nice and hot so that you get the best flavors out of it. So going to my onions. Onions going in, and I've got my garlic and ginger, and I want a good bit of that so I can get the flavors in there. So pop in the flavors. Now give that a good shake around. My okra is here on the side, putting the okra in. And I'm going to put my lemongrass in there as well because I want that tanginess that comes from it, as well as my kakala is in there as well. Making sure that you really do give it a good mix around on a nice high heat. Give it a little bit of color. So you want to get the onions to get a little bit of color on them, nice and brown in there. Once it's there, you want to put your rice in as well. So get your rice in. You want to get all those nice flavors that are in there. Get your rice in there. Cook it off a little bit when you're doing it, because what we want to do now is we're going to put all of those grounded out spices that we put in there is going to go in there so we can get that nice, really vibrant yellow curry color going in. So popping in our curry, because what we're going to do is we want to put that coconut milk in afterwards, so it's going to cook the rice out of the stew as well. So you want to make sure you get your nice colors in there and coat your rice with all that curry. So coating it all nicely with the curry, getting it in there. So you have a nice color of it. You can see how it's like got that nice shine to it there in there, and the curry there. So now I've got my coconut cream and my coconut milk mixed in here. So I'm going to pop that on the top. Because what we're going to do is let that cook down and steam off. Also my cup of stock in there. So you can see I put my cup of stock goes in there as well. And we're going to give that a mix around. So give it a good mix around because you want all that liquid to get into your rice. And now your rice is going to cook in that liquid. So now we've got all that in there. We just have some salt. Add some salt into there. Now you want the bubbles to come on it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a cover on it so that we can get all that rice cooking within the coconut milk. So it's going to be really nice and coconutty when it comes out. So then on top, so that we can get that nice oven sort of effect from it, and just occasionally you want to stir that to make sure the rice is actually getting cooked. So in a second, give it about 15 to 20 minutes and your rice should be ready, and then we can mix it through. Okay, so we've actually let it cook in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, so you can see that the rice is all really nice and cooked. Just give it a mix around. You can see that it's like nice and sticky on there. All the beautiful aromas that are coming from the coconut and the curry. And all we're going to do now is plate it up and have a taste. So we'll just find a spoon. Get a fork from over here. So fork, have a little taste. Oh my god, my best one ever. So delicious. And so that is our sabi coconut curry rice.